then the loop of the stellate has to be big. If the left atrium is small, then this loop you can always compress and make it small. And sometimes, as we reshape our PTCA wire to cross on the tortuous coronary arteries, we need to really appreciate. Sometimes we give a bend. With a regular stellate is not going, we have to reshape, you have to give 60 degree, 70 degree bend to the tip of the stellate, and then the balloon orients towards the mitral valve. So I think reshaping of the stellate is extremely important. So this is how we go about it. Whenever you take the balloon across the septum, take it deep into the left atrium over the wire. Because the objective of taking the balloon deep into the left atrium, because then of course you are going to remove the spring guide wire, that means it provides enough space for the balloon to descend as you are pulling the catheter down to the mitral valve. So this is important. And sometimes catheter can be of this position. So always, if it's coming too close to the vertebral column, always keep it inflated partially, otherwise you can come back to right atrium. So this is how you have, otherwise you can have problems, and again you have to go repeat the whole procedure. So when once the spring guide wire is removed and stellate is introduced, and you are taking the balloon from upper portion of the left atrium to the mitral valve, and this is the classical sign that you are going to really cross the mitral valve. That is the bobbing movement. That means you are right on top of the mitral valve, and in this position it is exactly driving a car between the clutches and your the stretcher. So when you are getting this bobbing movement, you have to withdraw with the left hand, advance the balloon catheter, with the right hand withdraw the stellate 4-5 centimeters back into the catheter. So that really takes the balloon across the mitral valve. If you try to cross as an assembly, sometimes it backs out. So when you are getting this bobbing moment, withdraw the stellate with the right hand and advance the balloon catheter with the left hand, and automatically it goes. So see, this is how it goes. And make sure that when once you cross the mitral valve, the balloon reaches the LV apex. Very important. Otherwise, likely it might get trapped within the subvalvular apparatus. Then you can always fix it at the mitral valve, and then you can inflate. So this is one patient where already balloon dilatation has been done, and inflated balloon is coming back to the left atrium. That means one of the commissure is split. See that what is the definition of successful balloon mitral valvuloplasty? If the post balloon area is more than 1.5 without creating more than mild MR, and visibly one of the commissure should be split. On an echocardiography, one of the commissure at least should be visibly split on echo. Then we can say sometimes just a mere stretching of the valve can also reduce the gradient. But to call it as a successful valvuloplasty, yes, one of the commissure has to be split. So then, yes, you have done an effective, successful balloon mitral valvuloplasty. This is what we do after withdrawing the balloon to right atrium. You can always, with the same balloon and the same stellate, you can check RV pressure. There is no need to exchange for the